Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at the Wally World and we are about to get into some quick and easy Ibotta deals. So y'all, I had came into this Walmart on Saturday. I actually did a huge haul on Saturday, but I could not even film in Walmart on Saturday because Walmart on Saturday is nothing to be played with, at least not here in the metro Atlanta area. Oh, my anxiety was raging. So I'm back and it's actually Monday morning and I'm going to do some more deals that have popped up since then. And then I'll also show you some of the deals that I got on Saturday night so you can get those as well. So first I'm going to be grabbing is on the Sensodyne Pro Enamel mouthwash. I'm excited about this deal. So this is $6.98. We have $2 back on Ibotta. We have $2 back on Shopmium, and we also have $3.06 back on Shopkick. That's going to make this completely free plus an 8-cent moneymaker. Next though, I'm going to be grabbing, and this is a repeat deal for me from Saturday. We're going to get the Dove body wash. So this is $6.38. And with this Dove body wash, you want to be careful on which ones you get because all of these scents do not attach to Shopmium. I learned that the hard way because I grabbed one of the new scents. So definitely scan on Shopmium to make sure that what you pick up attaches. But I'm going to be getting back $2 from Shopmium. I'm also going to get $2 back from Ibotta, and I'm going to get $2 back from Shopkick. That's going to make this just 38 cents. Also going to grab another Dove bar. These are $1.97, but on Shopkick we have $1.64 back. That makes one of the bars just 33 cents. If you are not signed up for Shopkick, also sign up for Shopkick with my code STAR. You'll get an additional $5 in free kicks after you redeem your first offer, making this deal a moneymaker. Now let's grab some Axe products. First thing we're going to get is the body washer. These are $4.97. I'm going to pick up 2 of them, but we have $2 back on each one on Ibotta and $6 back you can submit over to Swagbucks, Alexa, Shopmium, any of those apps, and that will make 2 of these completely FREE super free. The deodorant is also free. We're going to pick up 2 of these for $4.97. Same deal applies, so we're going to get $2 back on each from Ibotta. $2 back on whichever rebate that you pick for the deodorant, makes those super free as well. Next that we're grabbing is the FREEBIES travel size spray. This is $1.97. This is great for my husband's truck. He's an over-the-road driver. So $1.97, and then we're going to submit back for $2.30 on Ibotta, making this a 33-cent moneymaker. So I do not have a dog, so I'm not going to do this deal, but there's a new rebate for Blue Buffalo pet treats, where if you buy a bag of Blue Buffalo brand pet treats up to $15, then you can get back the full amount, which makes that bag completely free. I will have it linked in the description box of this video. And you want to also check on Fetch Rewards because we do have some Blue Buffalo offers on Fetch that could make that deal a moneymaker. Next item I'm grabbing is the Starbucks triple shot. I grabbed some of these on Saturday. We're going to grab some more since the offer did reset. So these are $3.28. We're going to get back $2.50 on Ibotta with a limit of 5. These are just 78 cents each after Ibotta. The Rockstar energy drinks are an awesome deal. So these are $1.88. So you want to pick up 2 of them because we have a rebate. This is an aisle rebate that's giving back $5 in cash when you buy 2. So I'm going to pick up 2 today. That'll be $3.76. $3.76 minus the $5 in cash, it'll be $1.24 moneymaker. The Airwick Vibrant is regular price for $6.98. I'm going to submit over to Shopmium for $4 in cash back, and Ibotta for $4 in cash back. We'll make one of these a 102 moneymaker. So at the other store that I went to, they didn't have any of the small snuggle sheets. So I decided to pick up one of the 120 count boxes. These are $4.92. So $4.92, I had a $2 manufacturer coupon that left me to pay $2.92 at the register. So $2.92 at the register, and then I got back $1.40 from Shopkick. I got back $1.50 from Ibotta, which made it just 2 cents for the 120 count box. Now, if your store has the smaller boxes that are just $1.97, you want to pick up one of those, especially if you have manufacturer coupons. So I picked up 2 today, and I'm going to use 2 of the $1 manufacturer coupons. That'll leave me to pay 97 cents for each box at the register, but then I'm going to submit over to Ibotta for 75 cents in cash back, and I'm also going to get back a total of 40 cents from Shopkick. So after that 40 cents, those will be free plus an 18-cent moneymaker. The Mateo's taco seasonings are $1, and we have 50 cents back on Ibotta. Makes these just 50 cents each, and they are actually pretty good. Another deal I did on Saturday was on the Astapro allergy medicine. These are $14.97 regular price. I got $4 back on Ibotta, $4 back on Shopmium, $3.04 back on Shopkick, and $4 back on Fetch, making one of these super free. If you can find these $2 Peely coupons on the Dove Prebiotic hand wash, it is a really good deal. So these are $4.97 regular price, but minus that $2 coupon, and you'll get back $2 from Ibotta. That brings it down to 97 cents. I picked up 2 of them, 97 cents each, after those rebates and the Peely coupon. So that was $1.94 for 2, but I also got back $1.50 from Fetch Rewards, making it 44 cents for 2, or 22 cents each. Some additional Peelys you want to be on the lookout for is on the Shea Moisture. All of the hair products, including the packets, had Peelys on them at my location. So definitely be on the lookout for those $2 savings, because we haven't been getting a lot of Shea Moisture coupons lately. These Werther salted caramels are a decent deal if you like these. I'm going to go ahead and max this deal out and pick up a total of 4 of them. They are $2.62, which means 4 of them will be $10.48. For the 4, I'm going to get back a total of $2 from Ibotta, because we have 50 cents back on each one. I'll get back $4 from Swag Bucks. You can do inbox dollars to DAW, any of those, because we have $2 back on 2. So that'll be $4. It'll bring me down to $4.48. And then I'm going to get back 66 cents from Checkout 51 on each one with a limit of 5. So that'll be $2.64 back from Checkout 51, making my final cost for all 4 bags just $1.84. When we divide that up, that's 46 cents each. So for this Gatorade water, this is another one that you want to be careful with as far as Shopmium. I swear when I scanned this in store on Shopmium, it said that it qualified, but when I got home and tried to scan it, it said no matching items for the Gatorade. So I ended up submitting it on Swag Bucks. But these are $1.97 each, $1.98 each. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $1.98 each. That'll be $3.96. I'm going to get back $2.50 from Fetch, because we have $1.25 back on each one, minus the $1 from Shopmium or Swag Bucks. That'll be 46 cents for 2, or 23 cents each. Another good deal is on the Gatorade Fast Twitch. Didn't have any issues with this one. These are $1.97. We have $1 back on Shopmium and $1 back on Fetch, making those free 99. This is everything that I'm getting in my haul today. I will also show you the haul that I did Saturday. This is everything that I got on Saturday. But in the haul that I'm doing today, which is Monday, this all totaled up to $70.86. I got back $26.80 from Ibotta. I got back $14 from Shopmium, $11 from Swag Bucks, $7.40 from Shopkick, $5 for the Rockstar energy drinks, $2.65 from Checkout 51, $2.50 from Fetch Rewards, gave me a total back of $69.35, making everything here just $1.51, and that's with no bonuses included. If you have any bonuses that you will hit, this will be an easy money maker. On Saturday when I did my haul, I did get $13 back in bonuses. It actually made that transaction a $10 money maker, because I hit so many bonuses and I wasn't even trying with that transaction, but the Ibotta deals are just really good. So that was a $10 money maker. This cost $1.51 today. All of this was super free plus profit Walmart is on fire right now. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon.